In this video, we're going to talk about Finblox. It's a rewards-based platform where you can deposit your assets and earn yields. And honestly, Finblox has changed a lot since I last visited their platform. That was around just before the Luna collapse, and after the collapse, there was some issues around Finblox about suspension of withdrawals, but that's all in the past now. They're still here. They did not bankrupt or anything. They're even innovating, okay? So I'm gonna introduce you around the new platforms, new features of Finblox, and their upcoming token airdrop. So let me introduce you the new products Finblox are offering. First is the Destiny X. Destiny X is a prediction market. It's like a betting platform where you can bet esports, sports, football, basketball, especially NBA playoffs. It's already coming in the next couple of days. We have MMA. Adesanya just won a while ago. They also have entertainment here, like for example, Oscars, Grammys, or Miss Universe. If you think there's one particular contestant that you think is going to win, then you can bet on that person. Alright, so esports, we also have esports here. JD Gaming, Edward Gaming. It closes in 1 hour, so you can bet. If you think JD is going to win, then bet on JD. If you think not, if you think Edward's going to win, then bet on Edward. That's basically what Destiny X is all about. Next up is you can swap crypto through Finblox. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum using USDT or any other stable coins, you can do it here. Right now, there are 12 supported pairs. Doge, Matic, Ape, so all in all, Arbitrum, even Arbitrum is already available here. You can swap here via website, or you can use their app. Okay, you can download app via Google Play or App Store. Now let's move on to the Finblox dashboard. Here you can see there's a lot of things you can do. You can check your assets, transaction history, pool party, even launchpad. There's already launchpad in Finblox. Now here are the assets that you can deposit and earn APY through Finblox. But I just have to remind you that there's a phrase in crypto that says, "Not your keys, not your coins." So that phrase applies in Finblox. So if you deposit your assets here, you're trusting Finblox to protect your assets. If ever there's gonna be any exploit or hack or bugs on Finblox, there's a chance that your assets might be gone. But that phrase applies to everyone, every savings platform, every centralized exchanges, even Binance. Not your keys, not your coins. So these are the assets and rates that are available that you can deposit here on Finblox. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Solana, even SLP. It's available here. Polkadot, BNB. Almost all major coins are available here for staking. Pool party is like a weekly contest given by Finblox. So here, win prizes every week while earning on your crypto. Also, all you have to do is just deposit your assets and you can join the contest. That's it. And if ever you win, or if ever won the contest, you can get the FBS token. 2000 FBS for the first prize, 160 FBS for the 50 contestants basically. So what is FBS? Now let's talk about FBS because that's going to be happening soon, the launch pads. Okay, so FBX is the official governance token of Finblox. So it's already upcoming. I think the launching date is around May, if I'm not mistaken. So you can join, you can participate in this launchpad by Finblox. So this is their official currency, official governance token of Finblox. So what are the benefits or what are the utilities of BX? So here you can see below, if you stake a minimum of $100, you can attain the level of Stellar where you can earn 1% API or in your FBX. If you stake your NBX, you can earn 1% API. Boost pool party odds, so you can higher chance of winning in the pool party. Now if you stake more FBX in their platform, you can earn the cosmic level, galactic level, supernova, celestial, and divine. So the more you stake, the more utilities you can get. For example, in divine you can earn up to 8%, 50% cash fee feedback on Destiny X, the prediction market, 50% swap fees. If ever you swap in Finblox, you can get 50% cash back. 4 with free withdrawals per month. So free from no fees, no anything. Launchpad VIPs. So Finblox is not just a savings platform. They're also a launchpad platform where other projects can use Finblox Launchpad to launch their project. So if there's a project who wants to launch in Finblox, you can get VIP seat there, so you can get allocation. And lastly, community airdrop. So these are the allocation, so you can just pause the video. And lastly, here are the founders of Finblox. So Peter Huang, Dimitri Paunin. I personally met Peter Huang last year at Okada. So they hosted an event. Finblox was one of the sponsors, so I saw Peter Huang personally, but I didn't talk to him or anything. I just saw him personally. Now, token vesting. So if you invested in launchpads like FBX, you can see your token vesting schedule. What is vesting? Vesting is like if you participate in a launchpad, you can't just withdraw and sell your coins immediately. There's like a vesting schedule, or like a lock schedule, so you can't immediately withdraw your assets and sell it at the market. So you can't do that. So there's like a lock-in period. So here in Finblox token, you can see the vesting schedule here. So for private sale, it's 6 months lockup and quarterly unlock for 2 years. So for public sale, 20% on TGE, team advisors, 1 year cliff. So team, treasury, public sale, private sale, they cannot sell immediately. Okay. And lastly, we're going to talk about one giveaway or one contest they're doing currently right now. And that is this one. Trade more, get more FBX airdrop promotion. So first you have to sign up in Finblox and complete your KYC, know your customer. So fill up, submit your personal information, passport, government ID, etc. Make your first trade, so you can deposit assets or swap using Finblox. You can do that between April 6 up to May 4. So this is like the snapshotting period. So all you have to do is deposit or make a trade. Then you have a chance to win or share a pool of $1,000 in FBX token. And the last step is to retweet a tweet from Finblox. So you have to make sure that you follow Finblox on Twitter, join their Discord community so you can get the updates and latest news. So that's basically it. So you can pause this video if you want to read the whole promotion. So if you're interested in joining the launchpad of Finblox, just register on Finblox. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can click that. And if you think this video is helpful to you, make sure to subscribe and like this video. So goodbye.